Hi, Mr. Lemaster here. I've got my college gear on today. This is Georgia State University. Let's start with the question. Use the marking tool to identify two sets of words or phrases in paragraph 4 that supports the following inference. The US and the Soviet Union were competing in the 1960s. Okay, there's a couple of things that we really need to pay attention to. Number one, we have to know where paragraph 4 is. Okay, that's the easy one. Where is paragraph 4? Number two, we need to understand the word inference. So inference is a guess that is based on information that you have. So we see something or we see a couple of things, and based on that, we can make an educated guess about an idea. Okay, so that's what an inference is. So the inference is being given to you. The US and the Soviet Union were competing in the 1960s. The word I want you to focus on is competing. Competing is like they were going at it. They were trying to do things together or better than each other. And there is this idea of who is going to be the first or who is going to be better. So they're competing, okay? So let's go to paragraph 4 because remember, that's where the answer is going to be. Paragraph 4. So let's come over here, count in your head with me. Here's paragraph 1, 2, 3, and here is paragraph 4. Now we're looking for two sets of words or phrases that give us the idea that the Soviet Union and the US were in some sort of competition. Okay, some sort of competition. The United States' interest in the moon, technology, and space travel capability led to a space race. Right away, I see this idea of race, and it's quoted, which means that the author is trying to put emphasis on this little phrase here, space race. So this is going to be one of the two that I mark, the space race, because they're trying to get there, right? They're both racing for it. And what are they racing? Well, they're racing for space. They're trying to get to the moon. They're trying to get into space travel. Okay? Then it says with the Soviet Union, USSR in 1960s. America prevailed when Apollo 11 landed on the moon on July 20th, 1969. This is the other phrase right here. America prevailed. Prevailed is to win, or is the one who got there first. They overcame it first. So America prevailed. They were the winners. And so I see space race and then I see America prevailed. And that tells me here that the US and the Soviet Union were indeed competing. And those are my two phrases or two sets of words and phrases that answer this question.